Hello, our today's tutorial is how to create post slider with the Post Grid plugin. Make sure you install and activate Post Grid plugin before you begin. Navigate to Pages and add New in the menu. Here we get Add Title box for providing our own title. For example, Post Slider Layouts Gutenberg and click the toggle block inserter. Get several blocks with slider layout. There are 30 layouts under slider layout with 13 layout previews. I am selecting Layout 3. Then Layout Options, Text Alignment, Query Built with Common Filters. Customize Limit to show the post's number. Then Advanced Filter of by categories with WP theme, HTML template, then by author and order by. For links, get post link type, link target and thumbnail link. In the settings of field selection, if you want to display section title, post thumbnail, post excerpt or even metadata and to read more button, click show to enable. Or if you don't want to display that, then hit a single click for disabling this. Then section title, set your title source. Then post title of title tags, title position, title hover on the line. Then thumbnail, resize your image height. Now excerpt, set your excerpt limit according to units. Now read more button, where you can customize your button label that you want to show there. Turn on show button icon if you want. Next slider, to customize the slider gap between each post. For arrow settings, set your arrow position. Click on or off for the dots visibility. Click on to enable dynamic dots. For other settings, there is infinite autoplay with the autoplay speed. From here, you can increase or decrease your speed. There are also several other settings. Move to the next for style. Styles for section title. Customize the typography for section title. Align. Customize the typography of post title. For appearance and behavior, you can customize the title color. Here, firstly, I am selecting my preferred color and copying it for next customization. In thumbnail, there is overlay style in normal and hover. Customize overlay background. Next, alignment for excerpt customization. And then excerpt color. Next is read more customization. Customize background color. Here I will paste that color code what I have copied before. Now border radius. It will change its outlook from square shape to semicircle. Next slider. Customize arrow icon color, arrow background. Here again I will paste that same color what I copy first. Just make all the colors same. These arrows are now same color. For dots style, set your preferred color for the active dots color, but I am fixing my own. For further style, customize wrapper background color in the main wrapper. Choose a soothing color for wrapper background. There is also main wrapper padding and main wrapper border radius. Now click publish, and this is our creation of slider layouts with the post grid plugin. Thank you for watching.